In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create accounts receivable and payable in Xero. Whether you're an experienced user or a newbie, setting up these account types in Xero is an efficient way to keep your financial records organized and updated. So let's dive right in. First, let's navigate to the main dashboard of Xero, where you'll find a top navigation bar. On that bar, there's an option named Accounting. Go ahead and click on that. Once you do, a menu will appear. From this menu, you'll want to look for and select Chart of Accounts. This is the place where you can view all your financial accounts and make the necessary modifications to ensure everything is categorized correctly. Now that you're in the Chart of Accounts section, you'll want to add a new account. Find and select Add Account. This step is crucial because it allows you to expand your financial record keeping by adding essential accounts like those for receivables and payables. Here comes an important part: setting the account type. You'll see a drop-down menu for account type. If you're creating an account for money that your company expects to receive in the future, you'll want to select Current Asset. This is the category for accounts receivable. On the other hand, if you're preparing to handle money your company owes, you'll choose Current Liabilities for accounts payable. Making this distinction is critical for maintaining accurate financial statements and ensuring cash flow is appropriately managed. Once you've decided on the account type, it's time to name your account. Pick a name that is descriptive enough to easily identify the purpose of the account, such as Customer Invoices for receivables or Supplier Bills for payables. This will make it easier for anyone reviewing the accounts to quickly understand what each one is for. Next, you'll need to assign a code to the account. This numeric identifier helps when you're quickly searching for accounts or categorizing them into financial reports. Think of codes as shorthand that makes your accounting more efficient. After that, you can add a brief description. This description can provide a little more context, which can be really helpful if someone new is looking at your accounts later. Don't forget to specify tax information if applicable. This ensures the proper tax treatment of transactions connected with the account and keeps everything compliant with tax regulations. Finally, click Save and you're done. Your new account is now part of your chart of accounts and ready to use in managing your financial transactions. Remember, by setting up your accounts receivable and payable accurately, you're laying the groundwork for better financial management and more insightful reporting. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide simplifies your accounting process in Xero.